I want to be able to use that knob later on. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to use the map, which can lead to this kind of getting to some boring parts, but if I have to, I will. So yeah, we should go down and stay on that side of the mansion and try the key. Okay. So let's go this way. There's kerosene out in that door, but I don't want to tap it for just a one. That's the shotgun, which I can't take. Oh, let's burn him. That's a good burn. And then we go fill it back up. Sweet, that worked out great. And I hope those dogs don't attack me, but they might. I'll just end up dodging them because I hate dogs. They hurt bad. Oh, hell no, hell no. Screw that. I'm probably not gonna fill up any more out there. I'm just done with those guys. Not worth it. So this was just the gate to the outside, which we don't have the emblem for, so that's kind of useless. So we'll just through here. That's also locked. Shit. So, alright, I'm gonna use the map. I don't even know how to use the map. How do I use the map? Oh, here we go. View map. Alright, typewriter item box. It actually says there's still something unexplored in that. Okay, that might just be ink ribbon or something. Okay. So there's the shotgun room. I can't go through that. Can't go through that. Trying to visualize what these places are. So from up here, okay, that's the upstairs there. I think all the red doors are the ones that are locked. Oh, that's interesting. So there's still something in that room. Alright, so let me go ahead and head back over there, and then we'll just kind of go from there. So the best way to do it is just to go through this way. So I've just made a loop for almost no reason, but I did get to burn that body, and I did get to refill my canteen. So it was not all for nothing. Inventory is okay. So apparently, if you look at the map, that room that I got the whistle in, the room that I got the lighter in, I think that's the same room, still has something in it. I think it was the ink ribbon. Oh, no, that was in the shotgun room. So there's something else going on in here. Don't see anything flashing. Okay. Oh, it's just a... Alright, let's make sure that room is cleared now. Should be. Okay, room is cleared. I think I know where we need to go. So let's give it a try. So we want to go to the upper dining hall. I think this room was from the other side. Okay, I think I know what's going on. There's an extra door in here that I need to check out. That's gonna break us into another section of this mansion that I really like. Rift canteen? Yes. Alright. Yep, that was it. And see, that's what it talks about. Once you used it and there's no more doors that need that key, you automatically discard, or no, it's not automatic. You can keep it if you want for no reason. But this way it keeps your inventory rolling over and clean. Alright, so we got some zombies here. And before I do anything, I want to kill him and burn him. Okay, well, there's one coming up the stairs. I'll take out both of you. Come on, you see me? Let's roll. I got a lot of pistol ammo, and I'm going to use it. Fresh mag. And then if I'm smart, I can use this railing. Pop this bitch. You go down already? Let's get back up. Show yourself. Ooh, I think I got a headshot on him. Did you hear that? Really couldn't see it. If I did, there's no head. Cool. Now that works. That's straight. Because then I got a little bit more kerosene left. Her slide was locked back even though there was still a round in the chamber, but yeah, I'm gonna burn him. Screw that shit. No crimsons until I get shotgun. And then I do believe we got a safe room here, which I will exploit to the fullest. There's no kerosene in this one. Alright, let's do chest real quick. I think there's kerosene somewhere around here, so I'm gonna hold on to all that. I think we're good. I don't even think I really need to save it right now. Is there anything left in this? Nope, room is clear. Okay. I think there's kerosene right outside the room is how this works. My main goal is that before I... No, there's none right there. I remember there was kerosene somewhere around on this bottom level. Okay, cool. Lockpick. There's probably something in here. Something good. What's this? Take the battery pack. Yes. Oh, shit. Yes. Broken shotgun. That is exactly what we needed. And the kerosene. Oh, things are coming together. Things are coming together. Okay, we got kerosene, ink ribbon, which I'm going to use immediately to save this. And then the number one thing we're going to do is to go get that shotgun. And once I got the shotgun, I'm probably going to stop burning most of the bodies. Because dealing with Crimson Heads with a shotgun, yeah, it's not as efficient as it could be in the game, but it's fucking fun. That's what it's all about. So let's go ahead and deal with inventory real quick. I'm actually gonna get the shotgun and then save because there's ink ribbons in the shotgun room, and I do remember that. And then we're gonna put this away for just a minute. And it's dog whistle time, but first shotgun. Yeah, we don't really have any bodies to burn on the way over there, so I want to kind of keep this unexplored for the moment. I do believe we can shortcut. Yep. To go and get the shotgun there. The best way to do that is... This is the wrong side of the mansion. Wait a minute. So there should be another... That's where we just came out of, right? Which means I can use the hallway to get across the other side. Yes. Peace. They actually started him pretty close to me that time. That could have gone wrong if you weren't fully paying attention. I stepped away for a split second and screwed. So I'm gonna take the bottom road because then I don't have to use the door where the handle is falling apart. And the battle plan is once we got the shotgun, we're gonna chest up. I'm gonna grab a bunch of stuff, such as a health pack, maybe even two. Ammo for the shotgun. And then we're going to call that dog with the whistle. I'm so excited. Getting your shotgun, your first shotgun in the Resident Evil games is such a big step in firepower and fun that, you know, short of maybe the Magnum upgrade and some people, you know, grenade launcher or whatever, the shotgun has enough ammo that you can really use it and have fun with it, and it's good for virtually the entire game. That's what I like about it. Yes. See, there's a lever that I was talking about. And no, I don't want to seat the shotgun. I want to use, there we go, broken shotgun. Okay, so fires 12 gauge shells. It's capable of firing wide range. Yep. I'm not going to equip that just yet. So I think the most efficient path we can take is actually go through here, grab the chest on the way, go straight across the dining hall thing, and deal with the dog. Yeah. And then we'll see what we get from the dog. I don't remember what exactly happens after that, but we'll see. Alright, so got the whistle. I forgot the ink ribbon in the shotgun room, but who cares? I'm gonna grab this. Grab a set of mixed herb. Let's go ahead and save real quick. Alright, let's dump that. Dog whistle will go away, so we're gonna grab one more. Just the green herb, just in case. I like to save as much health for later in the game because it gets harder, and being able to run around with 2 or 3 healths lets you be more frivolous and just kind of deal with the combat. Alright, let's go do this shit. Health is good. Shotgun shells. Can we actually? Yeah, it's full. 6 shells. Hopefully is enough. I don't remember if it's just one dog or if it's one big dog and 2 small ones or something. It's been 12 years, so what can I say? So that zombie's actually been starting near that door. So yeah, I should probably go around this way. Oh, and they actually have some health out here. Okay, so I probably took too much health. Let's go ahead and explore real quick. God, look at the forest in the back, how cool that looks. Totally atmospheric. Okay, cool. So rather than blowing the whistle right here, what I'm gonna do, and I remember this from back in the day, is I'm gonna quarantine myself right near where the health is. And kind of back myself into a corner, which is actually against what you would think. But this way I've got a clear shot with that shotgun. And then just be ready to, Yep, he's tough. I think that did it. Let's get some free health. Yeah, I wouldn't use them. It's fine. So it should be good. That actually went really smooth. So why do I still have the dog whistle? Oh, I think if I leave here, it tells you that you don't need it anymore. Yes, I'll take the collar. Alright, and before I need to go back into there and unlock the other door to create like a pass-through type of deal. Not that I'll probably use it much, but it might come in handy later on, I don't know. So what do you use, 4 rounds with a shotgun? Something like that, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and unlock this door. Alright, so while I'm here, it's an imitation key. I do know what to do with that. We're gonna go ahead and get that done, and then that will end this episode. So there's a place, well, I'll show you. I think we can just switch back to the pistol for a moment. I don't really think there's gonna be anything to... And the quickest place to get there... Let me check the map. Quickest place to get there, I believe, is right through this same door. What we'll do is we'll save. Is he close? Sure is. Alright. I don't remember if I burned him. Oh shit! Oh shit! I didn't not burn him. Okay, so. Oh, Crimson Head shotgun blast. Oh, that was awesome. So yeah, you saw Crimson Head get up. You didn't really see him run, but you saw how quickly he stood up, swung his head back, and lunged for me. That is what is going on with these guys, and I'm gonna stop burning bodies so we can see more of them as we go, because oh man, that since I've played this game before, I don't really jump anymore at a lot of this stuff, but that was genuine. That was good. So this is one of those rooms where you kind of get the idea something's fishy. See those tracks on the ground, on all the different sides and everything. What's going on through here? It's locked. Helmet. So there is a key on the center podium here. I'll tell you which one it is, but we'll find that out in a minute. So then that drops down, the walls collapse in, even from behind, and then this thing comes in. It's pretty much a meat grinder. If you don't put that key back, you die. The problem is, you need the key. So now that we have the imitation key, that fits exactly into that slot, it reverses the trap. And we come out on top with, wait for it, the armor key. And we've seen a lot of doors that need that key, so that door was the helmet key, so we're just gonna go ahead and head this way. So yeah, if you didn't do that, the thing would just grind you up. And then you'd be dead. Kind of like the shotgun room deal. You gotta have something to replace what you took. Alright. Back to pistol. And I believe we should go through this door and go check some places out down here. You hear that? It's locked. Helmet key. Alright, so yeah, boy has straight up broken through the door. You bet your ass he's not dead. You are now. I'm gonna leave him for the shotgun when he turns. Hopefully I'll still be in the mansion by then. If not, I'll kind of do an off-camera of the game just sitting there for an hour. And that should guarantee me Crimson Head. Or 2 or 3. We'll see how many we can conjure up here. So here's what I'm gonna do. Inventory management. We're gonna keep the shotgun on us, but we're gonna put the shells away. 6 rounds should be enough to get me through most anything. And we're gonna put the health away because we're good. We've got pistol ammo. Do believe I need this soon. That leaves us with 3 inventory slots. Alright, let's save the game. And then this will end this episode. And we're gonna explore this part of the mansion in great detail in the next one. I'm having so much fun doing this. Save. And on that note, I'll see you guys next time.